Hello students, I hope you are happy and healthy. In our previous video you have studied about addition and subtraction. Today we will do find the missing digits. As you know, number from which we subtract is called minuend and the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend and the answer or result we get is called difference in subtraction. So we have to find missing digits here. So these are the formula to find. If we have to find minuend, so we will do apply this formula difference plus subtrahend. So here we have to find, in the first step we will start from ones place. In the first step we have to find subtrahend. So what is the formula here? Subtrahend is minuend minus difference. So minuend is 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 will come here. Now similarly here we have to find out minuend. Minuend is the difference and subtrahend. Difference plus subtrahend. So difference is 9 plus 4 is 13. So we will write here 13, 3 here and 1 will be carried over. So we will add 1 here in the result. Next number. Now here we have to find subtrahend. So formula of subtrahend is minuend minus difference. So minuend is 8 and difference is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. It is bigger number. So we will borrow one number from here. Suppose we are borrowing one number, one digit from here, 10. So here will be 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. So 9 will come here. Okay. Here on the next line we have to find minuend. Minuend, formula of minuend is difference plus subtrahend. So here minuend difference is 0 and subtrahend is 8. So 8 plus 0 is 8 and plus 1 we have borrowed it from here. So we will add 8 plus 1. We will add it. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 will come here. In the next step we have to find here subtrahend. Here also 16. 6 is smaller number than 9. So if we have to find subtrahend, so minuend minus difference. So minuend is 6. So we will borrow again one number from here and we will later on we will add plus 1 in this number. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So 7 will come here. Now here minuend, we have to find minuend. So 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 1 is 14. So we will write 14, 4 here and one number will be deducted from here. So we have borrowed here 4 will come. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have solved all the questions. So digits are here. Next is find the missing digits in addition. So the numbers that are to be added are called addend. Addend 1 I have written, addend 2 and answer is written as sum. So here we have to find, which is written in black with black sketch pen, are we have to find the missing digits. So here I have written 9. Why? Because the formula is to find addend is sum minus addend. So sum is here 1 and addend is 2. 1 is smaller than 2. So we will write here 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 will be carried over. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carried over. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is 12. 1 carried over. So whenever there is carried over, we will subtract 1 from this to find the other addend. Here we have to find addend 1. So here 7 minus 1 is 6, so 16 minus 9 is 7. So if you will add these three numbers, 17 will come. Here also, now 1 is carried over, 6 plus 1 plus 8 is 15, 1 carried over. So similarly we have to find here addend, so we will subtract minus 1. So here 12 minus 7 is 5, so 5 will come here. So 5 plus 1 plus 7 is 13, 1 carried over. Here also we will subtract minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, that means 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 will come here. 6 plus 4 plus 1 is 11, 1 carried over here also, and we will subtract from the sum. 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 will come here. So 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. Here 9 is bigger than 5, so we will not subtract anything here. 6 minus 2 is 4, so we will get our missing numbers. Topic is, I am going to explain you word problems based on addition and subtraction. First question is, a town had a population of 1,75 lakh 48,936 people and 1,28,097 lakh 8. Now next topic is word problem based on addition and subtraction. A town had a population of 1,75 lakh 48,936 people. 1,28 lakh 97,874 people came from neighboring state. What is the present population of the town? In this question, as you understood that total, more, altogether, these are the keywords of addition. So here we will do addition because more people came in the town. So we will do here addition of these two numbers. So to find the present population, first of all we will write population of a town as 175, this number, and people came, more people came. So more means you have to do addition. These number of people came, and so the total present population of the town is addition. We will add these two numbers to find the answer. The answer will be 3,04,46,890 will be our answer by adding these two numbers. Now the next question is based on addition and subtraction. Anish had rupees 9,87,500 in a bank. He withdrew rupees 1,25,600 for purchases. Next month he deposited 79,500. What is the present balance in Anish account in the bank? First of all, you have to imagine the situation that Anish had this much money in the bank. He withdrew. Withdrew ka meaning is that to take away this amount, this much amount he has taken away from the bank. So amount will be lesser. As you can see, these are the left and taken away are all the keywords of subtraction. So this amount is subtracted from this amount first of all. Next month he deposited 79,500. Next month he deposited means he add some more money. So first of all we will write here Anish had this much amount and he withdrew this much amount. So what how much money is left with him now is, after subtracting these numbers, 0, 0, here 15, minus 6 is 9, and 7 6 minus 5 is 1. Here 8 minus 2 is 6 and 8 will come here. Now he deposited 79,500 rupees. So that means he added this much amount. So the total money present balance. So the present balance in his account is 861,900 plus 79,500. Okay, after adding these numbers, we will find the amount. 1 carried over. 4. So this much amount is the present balance in his bank account. 9,41,400. So he had previously this much amount. He withdrew, so we subtracted this much amount. Then again he deposited, means he added some more money in his account. So we add more money and the present balance is this. This is the answer of the question. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.